All right, read and write in a website. The base buttons are fairly the same. A few that are different. You can move your window around. You still have prediction in case there's somewhere to type. On this particular article, there isn't. Hover speech is basically if you start hovering over the page, it will start reading. I don't use hover speech a lot because I accidentally move my mouse over something and the computer will start reading, and we'll have students who do that. So I recommend turning hover speech off unless a student really knows what they're doing and really wants that as a feature. Your dictionaries work the same. So for example, if you need to know what the word analyst means, they can open up the dictionary. They can open up the picture dictionary. They can even open up the translator. And they can have all of those open at the same time as they work through the document. Now, other things, you do have pause or play, pause, and stop. So at any point they can highlight text or just start having it read to them. Screenshot reader is still an option. So if they want to have screenshot reader on, now I really like this feature on a website because if they see something that is a advertisement or they think will click out to something else, they can highlight over it and have it read it to them without
source Patriot signed receiver lead to 1-year deal
without actually having to click on it. So you see how that's a hyperlink. I can screenshot reader it and not have to click the link. Audio Maker, same deal. If I highlight text, I can create an MP3 file to have it read to me. Again, if you're a teacher and you want to have pre-loaded stuff, you could take an article and just audio make it into an MP3 and offer that as an option. Web search, you can web search anything you want. So if you need to know who Todd McShay is, you can web search it and you will find out who Todd McShay is. Your screen reader still works the same. Your talk to type works the same. Your translator works the same. And then your highlights and your vocab list also work the same. So if analyst is a word that you want to know, you can force it into a vocab list just like you did before and have the same result. So here comes the vocab list, and we have ourselves a vocab list. Analyst, licensed practitioner, the whole 9 yards. Now, the other thing that is cool about the web page version is the Simplify Page option. When you click the Simplify Page option, what will happen is it'll take the article and condense it down and remove any of the ads. Now, when it does that, you'll also notice you get some beta versions of various contrast fonts and those types of things. So you can use that at your leisure. Now back over here, the only other thing that's available is settings, and we're going to try and go through that in the next video. So on a website, the real differences are you have hover speech and you get Simplify Page. Everything else pretty much works the same, and you can move it around. And if you have any questions on any of that, please let me know.